Meet xTool D1 Pro 2-in-1 Kit. One pack meets all your needs. It provides a 455nm blue laser and a 1064nm infrared laser module. The one infrared laser can engrave all kinds of metals. You can customize necklaces, rings, and bracelets to start your jewel crafting business. 1064nm infrared laser provides excellent results on plastic objects. Customize unique plastic crafts. Bring a little joy to your life. By switching to a 455nm 20-watt blue laser module, you can take the cutting ability to the next level. Cut 10mm basswood in one pass. Easily turn acrylic, leather, slate, and fabric into brilliant creations. xTool D1 Pro has an ultra-large workspace and an ultra-fast processing speed. It can greatly improve your productivity. Get xTool D1 Pro 2-in-1 Kit. Make your imagination unlimited.